Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, 11 women held a meeting contracting and pleading themselves that they would not conceal my information about their husbands. The first said, "My husband is like the meat of a lean camel kept on an impassable mountain top. It is not easy to reach it, nor is it so nice meat that one may attempt to fetch it." The second one said, "I cannot disperse the information of my husband because I fear if I relate my husband's affair, I will not omit anything. And if I narrate it, I will narrate all her apparent and hidden defects." The third one said, "My husband is extremely tall. If I tell something about him, I will be divorced. And if I remain quiet, I will remain suspended." The fourth one said, "My husband is like the night of Tihama, neither hot nor cold. There is neither any fear of him nor any grief." The fifth said, "My husband is a leopard when he enters the house, and a lion when he goes out of the house, and does not ask about whatever he leaves at home." The sixth one said, "If my husband starts eating, he finishes all. If he starts drinking, he drains all water. If he lies down, he remains aloof and does not put his hand in my clothes, lest he should know my defect." The seventh woman said, "My husband is illiterate or sluggish, impotent. He encompasses all types of defects. He may split your head or injure you or do both to you." The eighth woman said, "My husband's fragrance is like saffron, and caressing him is like caressing a rabbit." The ninth woman said, "My husband has a high house, a long sword belt, abundant heaps of ashes in his house, and his house is near the meeting place." The 10th woman said, "My husband is an honor. What a great honor! What a nice honor! He has a lot many camels that kneel down in his fold near his house, and they rarely go to a pasture for grazing. When they hear the sound of a musical instrument, they become sure that they are going to be slaughtered." The 11th woman said, "He has lowered my ears down with jewelry, turned my arms fatty, and fattened me by feeding me a lot. Undoubtedly, before marriage, he found me living among the shepherds, and I lived in abject poverty. Abu Zara made me the honor of a great number of horses, camels, farms, and birds. In spite of being so affluent, he was extremely good-natured. If I passed some offensive remarks, he does not get annoyed. I would sleep till late in the morning, but no one would awake me. And when I drank my fill." And the mother of Abu Zara, how nice is the mother of Abu Zara! Her colossal spectacles always remain filled, and her house is quite spacious. And the son of Abu Zara, how nice is the son of Abu Zara! His bedding was like a sword drawn out of its scabbard, and he gets satiated even with an arm of a kid. And the daughter of Abu Zara, how nice is the daughter of Abu Zara! She is obedient to her mother and her father, full-figured, and a cause for jealousy of the co-wives. The slave girl of Abu Zara, how nice is the slave girl of Abu Zara! She neither floats the secret of the house, nor pinches anything, nor keeps the house littered with garbage. She added, one day Abu Zara went out of the house when the milk was being churned, and he met a woman. Her two leopard-like babies were playing with her two pomegranates breasts under her sides. Abu Zara divorced me and married that woman. Thereafter I married a chief who was a night rider and fond of lancing. He gave me a lot of livestock and a pair of everything. He said to me, "O Zara, eat yourself and feed your kins as well." Zara said, "If I collect all what he provided me, they are not equal to a small vessel given by Abu Zara." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, "I am same to you as Abu Zara was to Zara." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6255.